all today? I hope you're smiling big. Today we have a super fun drawing adventure. It's all about Tung 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 Sahur. Do you know what that is? It's a special sound that wakes everyone up for a yummy meal before sunrise during Ramadan. We're going to draw something really exciting together. But shh, I won't tell you what it is yet. Just stay with me till the end, because there's a special surprise waiting just for you, gift and all. And don't forget, if you make your own version of this drawing, send it to me on Instagram, Facebook, or by email, all in the description. I might show your art in the next video. Now grab your colors and let's get started. Oh, and tap subscribe, like, and the bell so you don't miss any of the fun. Now it's time for the best part, coloring! Are you ready to bring our drawing to life with beautiful colors? Stay with me, because these colors are going to make everything look super fun and amazing. Let's see what magic we can create together. Let's start coloring! So far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. So far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. Yay! Our drawing is all done, and look how amazing it turned out. We had so much fun bringing our idea to life with colors and creativity. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me as much as I enjoyed creating it with you. And remember, I'd love to see your awesome art too. So don't forget to send your drawings to me through Instagram, Facebook, or the email in the description below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and tap the bell so you never miss our next fun video. More cute and exciting drawings are coming your way, so stay tuned. See you next time, my little artists. Bye!